Finding the perfect baby swing can be a game changer for soothing fussy little ones and freeing up your hands. These ingenious devices offer a gentle, rhythmic motion that many babies find comforting, often paired with other features like calming sounds, music, and engaging toys. With a variety of styles and features available, the best baby swing for your family will depend on your individual needs and your baby's preferences. So in this video, we have compiled a list and reviewed the top 8 best baby swings you can buy in 2025. For more information on the products, we have included links in the description box below. Let's get started. Number 8, Nuna Leaf Grow Baby Seat. Like the uber popular Baby Bjorny Bouncer, a must-have of mine. The Nuna Leaf relies on natural motion, or a gentle push to get it going for up to 2 minutes at a time. It then turns into a cool big kid seat once they've graduated from the baby stage. While the whole no motor thing may be a negative for some parents, it also means the Leaf is completely noise-free with no short plugs or batteries to contend with. The seat has 3 different recline settings and can be locked in a stationary position for playtime or mealtime. To transform it into a toddler chair, simply remove the seat pad and 3-point harness, adjust the recline, and let them sit back and relax. With a weight limit of 130 pounds, you'll be using this seat for quite some time to come. Number 7, Maxi-Cosi Cassia. This chic swing for babies blends right in with modern decor and helps calm little ones with automatic motion detection instead of having to manually mess with the settings if you have multiple children or are low on energy. You'll be especially grateful for this feature. Another feature we appreciate about the Maxi-Cosi swing is the option to swing side to side and front to back, because you never know if your baby is going to strongly prefer one over the other. It rotates 360 degrees, so you can always have eyes on your little angel from anywhere in the room. There are plenty of music options and nature sounds to choose from too, and an easy-to-use touchscreen to operate it all. Number 6, Ingenuity Compact Lightweight Portable Baby Swing. Huff is a big fan of this Ingenuity mini swing, which weighs in at only 7 pounds and folds up super compact for easy transport, whether you're traveling or just moving it from the bedroom to the bathroom. It features 5 swing speeds and a variety of musical melodies and nature sounds to soothe your little one. There are also 3 different timer settings, and it automatically shuts off after 90 minutes in case you forget. We also love how easy it is to clean with a fully removable and machine washable seat pad and headrest. There's a toy bar too, with a cute little owl and hedgehog hanging to grab your babe's attention. Number 5, 4Mom's MamaRoo Multi-Motion Baby Swing. This popular, albeit pricey baby swing is decked out with all the tech features, allowing parents to control the motion, sound, speed, and timer straight from the 4Moms app on their phone. With Bluetooth functionality, you can stream Baby Shark, Beethoven, Taylor Swift, or, whatever strikes their fancy. The coolest tech feature by far, though, is the innovative Find Your Roo app feature, which allows you to mimic the motion you manually use to comfort your baby, and then the app will tell you exactly which swing motion and speed combos are most like your own, helping eliminate all the guesswork. As if that wasn't enough, Wi-Fi smart home integration is also available, so you can use voice control with Amazon, Alexa, or Google Home to operate your MamaRoo hands-free. An awesome perk if you have multiple kiddos or just like to take a shower without jumping out at the first sound of a cry. The MamaRoo has 5 parent-inspired motions, as well as 5 speeds and 4 built-in sounds. There's an adjustable recline, and the harness converts from a 5-point to a 3-point as needed. Number 4, Graco Glider LX Baby Swing. The Graco Glider has nearly 5,000 5-star reviews and is praised by parents for its gentle gliding motion, which really seems to calm even the fussiest babies. Space-saving frame, cushy, and roomy seat, as well as all the options for speed, sound, and vibration. It truly does simulate a nursery glider, writes one reviewer. It also can be plugged in or used with batteries, allowing for more versatility in where you set it up. There are 3 different recline positions, which is nice depending on your baby's age or whether you want them to get a quick snooze or playtime session in. A cute little adjustable toy bar with 2 soft toys helps entertain, while 10 classic melodies and 5 nature sounds soothe when they get a little cranky. There are 6 different gliding speeds and 2 vibration speed settings, so you can experiment to discover the setting or settings your baby likes best. Number 3, Munchkin Bluetooth-enabled lightweight baby swing. For those moments when your arms feel like spaghetti and you legit can't sway with your baby any longer, this super compact and sleek little smart swing will take right over. It's designed to mimic a parent's natural side-to-side sway and weighs in at only 9 pounds, so you can schlep it around the house with ease and it won't take up a ton of space. It also folds up compactly for storage, freeing up precious floor space. For little ones who have a more sophisticated musical taste, this bad boy is Bluetooth enabled so you can stream their favorite tunes straight from your phone without being limited to a small set of built-in options, though they are available. To change the settings, including the speed, timer, and music, use the smart touchscreen right on the swing or the included remote control. Number 2, Bright Start's portable automatic 6-speed baby swing. A great value option for parents who don't want to splurge on a fancy swing their baby may hate anyway. This best-selling Bright Start swing comes highly recommended by thousands of parents with an average 4.5-star rating on Amazon. It's a rocking good time for your baby, with a 2-position recline to keep them comfortable, 2 smiling toys and 6 soothing tags to play with, and 6 different melodies to jam out to as they sway. The swing features 6 automatic swing positions, and is beloved by many reviewers for its compact size and the fact that it's so easy to fold up and store out of sight when not in use. It's also apparently really easy to put together, which is an often overlooked feature. Number 1, Graco DuetConnect LX. This top-rated baby swing offers the best of both worlds. A swing to soothe them and a portable bouncer you can pop off and transport around the house. The fact that Graco offers them as a combo not only saves you money, but precious space as well when you feel like your entire house is already being taken over by baby gear. The DuetConnect LX features 6 side-by-side swinging speeds and 2 speed vibrations, along with 10 different melodies and 5 soothing sounds, so finding the right combination to appease your little one should be a breeze. The seat is extra, roomy with a recline feature, head support, and a 5-point harness to secure even the smallest babies. A built-in mobile with 3 soft toys above gives them something to look at while you get stuff done. For extra flexibility, plug it in or use it with batteries when there's not an outlet nearby. The Graco Duet Soothe Swing and Rocker is tops on our list for its versatility, affordability, and multiple functions. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.